Hello class, today we'll talk about section 1.4, sets, inequalities, and interval notation. Alright, I'll start with the inequality. Inequality is a sentence containing less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or not equal to. Okay, so here's the example. To let you know, this number up here represents the page number. Okay, from my lecture notes that I have it here, page 1. So I would like to indicate here. All right, here's the example for inequality, x minus 2. Do you see that? For this sentence, right, x less than minus 2, it has the symbol less than. It is an inequality. Another example we have is y minus 1 greater than or equal to 5, which is like this one. Greater than or equal to 0. Another one we can have is t plus 4 less than or equal to negative 2 plus 3t. Okay? And another example we can have is 4m not equal to 8. Okay, so these are inequalities. All right, next we're going to talk about solutions of an inequality. If you look at my note, I have 3 sentences in there saying that the first one saying any replacement or value of the variable that makes an inequality true is called a solution of the inequality. It means that if you find a value and substitute for the variable in the inequality, and it still maintains this relationship, the left-hand side less than the right-hand side. Okay? After you substitute, it still maintains left-hand side less than the right-hand side for this inequality. Then that value is a solution. Next, the set of all solutions is called the solution set. It means an inequality can have more than one answer. So if it is the case that has more than one answer, make sure you find all solutions. And all solutions combined we call solution set. And the last one is when all the solutions of an inequality have been found, we say that we have solved the inequality. So again, if the inequality has more than one solution, make sure you find all solutions. Otherwise, you're not complete solving the inequality. All right, so that's the 3 sentences you can find on page 1 in my lecture note. And I have the example here. Determine whether the given numbers negative 10, 0 are solutions of the inequality. Here in the inequality we have 3x plus 5 less than or equal to negative 10. So I will start with solution. To show that if this negative 10 is a solution, I substitute negative 10 to the variable x right here. And my goal is that after I make the substitution, the left-hand side is still maintain this inequality symbol, which is less than or equal to. Okay, so left-hand side must be less than or equal to the right-hand side. So 3x plus 5 less than or equal to negative 10. This is the original inequality. Substitute negative 10 for x plus 5. Now, after we substitute, we don't know if it's correct or not, right? If you want, you can put the question mark here, okay? So that we know that we need to verify at the end. If you don't want, you don't have to, but make sure at the end you tell me is it true or false. So on the right-hand side, there's no x, we just copy that. Now simplify the left-hand side. 3 times negative 10 is negative 30. Negative 30 plus 5 less than or equal to negative 10, question mark. negative 30 plus 5 is negative 25, less than or equal to negative 10. Now, the question is, now, we have simplified everything, and this is the simplified form already. Now, let's see. That's negative 25 less than or equal to negative 10. Yes. So, true. We say true. Thus, this value right here, negative 10, is a solution of the inequality. Okay? So, let me verify my note. Yep. Good. So, we still need to verify this value right here. We're not done yet. So, let me next space. I'm going to erase this. So, you see that for this k, after we substitute x, we substitute negative 10 for x. Okay, simplify, it still maintain the original inequality symbol, which is the left-hand side, the left-hand side less than or equal to the right-hand side. Okay. So next, I'm going to show this value right here. Okay. Rewriting the original inequality, substitute 0 for x. 3 times 0 plus 5. Put a question mark if you want. Left-hand side, simplify. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 less than or equal to negative 10. Okay? 0 plus 5 is 5 less than or equal to negative 10. Now, we're done with simplifying both left-hand side and right-hand side. Now, we try to make the comparison to see if the left-hand side is less than or equal to the right-hand side. Now, let's see. Does 5 less than or equal to negative 10? No. So we say false, right? This is a positive value. This is negative value. Positive value always bigger than the negative value. But this case say negative. This case say 5 is less than or equal to, so it's false. We'll say thus 0, okay, is not a solution of the inequality. The reason is, after we substitute 0 for x, it does not maintain this original inequality. Okay? Because after we substitute 0 here, the left-hand side is not less than or greater than the right-hand side. Okay? So that's number 1 and 2.